Biscuit's big friend. Story by Alyssa Sadin Capuccioli. Pictures by Pat Scories. This is Biscuit and his friend Sam. Biscuit is a small puppy. Woof, woof. Sam is a big dog. Ruff. Biscuit and Sam are good friends. Ruff. Sam can run fast. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants to run fast, too. Ruff. Sam can carry a big stick. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants to carry a big stick too. Woof, woof. Ruff. Biscuit and Sam wants to play tug. Here, Biscuit. Here, Sam. It's time for a drink. Splash. Silly puppy. Sam's dish is too big for you. Woof, woof, ruff. Biscuit and Sam wants to play fetch. Ready? Fetch. Oh, there goes a ball. Now what will we do? Wait, Sam. That fence is too big for you. Woof. Oh, Biscuit. Sam is a big friend. But only a small puppy like you could do that. Ruff. Woof, woof. I can read. Sam is Biscuit's newest friend. Biscuit wants to do everything that Sam does. But it sure is hard for a little puppy to keep up with such a big dog. Like, share, and subscribe to Arcel Academy and hit the bell icon for more interesting readers.